Your slick modern website is likely invisible to millions of users. You think it's fast and fluid, but for someone using a screen reader, it's a silent, broken mess. Here's the deal. Traditional websites do a full page reload when you click a link. That's a loud, clear signal for assistive tech. Hey, new page. But your fancy single-page app, built with React, Vue, or Angular, doesn't do that. It just swaps content on the fly. So a user clicks a link and their screen reader says nothing. The focus is still stuck on the link they just clicked, while the new content loads silently somewhere else. They think the link is broken and just give up, completely stranded. This breaks the entire web experience, but you can fix it. On every route change, you have to do two things manually. First, update the document title. It's the first thing a screen reader announces, and it tells the user where they are. Second, you have to physically move the user's focus. The best practice is to shift it to the main heading of the new content. This way, they can immediately start exploring what just loaded. And for smaller things, like a product added to cart message, use ARIA live regions. It's a way to tell the screen reader, hey, announce this small update, without interrupting their flow. Building accessible apps isn't an afterthought. It's a fundamental part of development. It's about manually recreating the signals that browsers used to give for free. It's the difference between an app that feels modern and one that's simply unusable for a huge part of the population.